Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains of North Carolina. A very quick public service announcement, if you will, and you've probably already heard this, but for those of you out there that haven't, this is really important. Harbor Freight jack stands, or Pittsburgh is the brand of jack stands. They've had a recall on many of them. I just went out and checked mine, and it's amazing. I've literally restored cars where they've been on these two jack stands for 6-7 months at a time while I had frame work being done on those vehicles. Luckily, these 3-ton jacks are not covered under this recall, but there are some that are. They're 3-ton and 6-ton. They can either be the silver color like these or some red ones. The part numbers are 56371, 61196, and 61197. If you own a set of these, stop using them. The chances of an injury are probably fairly minor, but they have had 11 sets of these, or 11 of these that have failed. Luckily, no fatalities, but definitely some injuries. I have personally seen the effects of a car falling on someone. It is gruesome, and it is usually deadly, so it's good to hear that these people did not die. But if you have a set of these, take them to your local Harbor Freight. They will either give you a gift card, or if they have the replacements in stock, they'll be happy to give you those. That's it for today. I'm Eric, the owner of Farpoint Farms. Take care, and check those lifts.